Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Neeraja's Cooking and Crafts. Today I'll be showing you how to make vegetarian chili in the Instant Pot. So let's get started. First off, we'll be adding in about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now into here, I'll be adding in 4 green Thai chilies. So right now I'm using about 5 tablespoons of oil. Now since the chilies are fried, we can add in the onions, and that's like about 1 cup of onions. Give this a mix. Now while this is frying, we can add in the ginger and garlic paste. This is about 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Into here I'm adding about 1 whole bell pepper. Give this a mix. You can choose whatever colors you want. I chose red and yellow. Into here we can add 1 teaspoon of salt. And then, now here I have 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Let's add that in and give that a mix. Into there we can add in the 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and the 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And give this a mix. Make sure it doesn't burn. So here I pureed 3 tomatoes, and I'm going to be adding that puree in. And give that a mix. Into the tomato puree, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now, since I let this cook for a few minutes, we need to let it cook for a longer time, but now we can add in the beans. I'm using chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans. I soak them all in water for like 5 to 6 hours. So I have 1½ cups of chickpeas, 1 cup of black beans, and 1 cup of kidney beans. Now let's give this a mix. Now we need to let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's been cooking for about 15 minutes, and now into here I'm adding in 4 cups of water. So after I added this water in here, we're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes, and then we'll let it boil. At this point you can taste it and adjust the flavors. I added a little bit of more salt and some cinnamon. Now I'm going to switch it to chili. So start that, and I'm going to let that boil for about 30 minutes. So it's done cooking. You can eat it like this, but I'm going to make it even thicker, so I'm going to be adding in some cornstarch. So I have 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and I mixed like about 1½ teaspoon of water into here. Now we can just add this. And this will just make it thick and creamy. So I let it cook for a little longer, and now as you can see it's super thick and creamy. And this is done. So this is how you make vegetarian chili. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.